2 years ago, most people thought AI was just a cool toy. Today, people are using it to build real side hustles. Some are making a few $100s a month. Others are building entire online businesses. And the crazy part, many of these AI side hustles require no coding, no employees, and almost no startup money. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 AI side hustles that actually work in 2026. These are not fake guru ideas. These are real opportunities people are using right now. And one of them might surprise you, because almost nobody is talking about it. Let's start with the first one. One of the simplest AI side hustles is building content websites. These are websites that publish articles around a niche topic. For example, productivity, travel AI tools, finance health tips. In the past, writing hundreds of articles took months. Now AI tools can help generate drafts much faster. People use tools like AI writing assistants, grammar editors, research tools to create blog posts more efficiently. Once the content is published, Google and other search engines can send visitors to the site. Those visitors generate income through ads, affiliate links, digital products. Some niche sites earn anywhere from $100 to several $1,000s per month, depending on traffic. The key idea is simple. AI speeds up content creation, but the real asset is traffic over time. The second side hustle is exactly what you're watching right now. Faceless YouTube channels. These are channels where the creator never appears on camera. Instead, they use AI scripts, AI voiceovers, stock footage animations to produce videos. Topics that perform well include technology, finance documentaries, AI tools, productivity. Once videos are uploaded, they can keep generating views for years. Some creators run multiple channels at the same time, each one targeting a different niche. And because YouTube is global, videos can generate views 24 hours a day, even when you're sleeping. Another growing opportunity is selling AI-based digital products. These include things like prompt packs, AI templates, automation workflows, productivity systems. For example, someone might create 100 prompts for marketing campaigns, or a set of AI templates for writing social media posts. These can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, digital marketplaces. The advantage is that digital products have no inventory and no shipping. Once the product is created, it can be sold unlimited times, which means income can happen anytime someone buys it. AI image tools have opened another interesting opportunity. You no longer need advanced design skills to create visuals. AI tools can generate illustrations, posters, logos, art prints. Some creators sell these designs on platforms like print-on-demand stores, digital art marketplaces. Others offer simple design services for small businesses. For example, social media graphics, YouTube thumbnails, blog images. Businesses need visual content constantly, and AI makes it faster to produce. This next side hustle is becoming extremely valuable. Many businesses repeat the same tasks every day. Sending emails, organizing data, posting on social media, answering customer questions. AI tools can automate many of these processes. People who understand automation can help companies save time, reduce manual work, improve efficiency. For example, an automated system that sends follow-up emails to customers, or one that summarizes reports automatically. Businesses are willing to pay for systems that save them hours every week. Another side hustle growing rapidly is reviewing AI tools. Hundreds of new AI startups are launching every year. People search for things like best AI writing tool, best AI video generator, best AI for business. Creators build content around these searches. This can be done through YouTube, blogs, newsletters. Many AI companies offer affiliate programs. This means if someone signs up through your link, you receive a commission. Some programs even pay monthly recurring commissions, which means a single recommendation can generate income over time. The final side hustle is building a micro-agency powered by AI. Instead of doing everything manually, AI helps deliver services faster. For example, AI content agencies, AI marketing agencies, AI automation agencies. These agencies often start with just one person and a few AI tools. They help businesses with things like content creation, marketing campaigns, automations, data analysis, Because AI increases productivity. One person can serve multiple clients at the same time. Final message, 28 minutes and 30 seconds to 30 minutes and 0 seconds. AI is changing how people build side hustles. It's lowering the barrier to entry and making it easier to launch small online businesses. But there is one thing AI cannot replace: curiosity. The people who experiment with these tools, who test ideas, who build small projects, are the ones discovering new opportunities. So if you're interested in AI and online income, start exploring now, because the AI economy is still in its early days, and the opportunities are only getting bigger. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about AI tools and online business ideas, and tell me in the comments, which AI side hustle would you try first?